You got any biscuits for sale in there? What you got in there is good to eat.
Figured out how to take this blade off without taking the deck off. I put a 4x4 down here and two 2x4s. In this top one, I've got it so I can put my knee here and put pressure against that tire. And as I'm turning the torque ratchet, real long torque ratchet here with the 15/16 impact wrench socket, it's pushing the blade against this 2x4 so it'll loosen up.
Right fried potatoes?
This is why I'm changing out the blade. This is the old one, obviously. This is what happens when you hit a stump with the lawnmower.
How much you want for them?
Make sure you install the blade so that this concaved bend to it is facing down towards the ground. On this torque ratchet, set it to 65 foot-pounds. 15/16.
I reckon I'll have me some of the bacon.